Hi, here's the video lesson for our writing 1 class today. We're going to be talking about subordinating conjunctions. Okay, so let's think a little bit about what we know about conjunctions. Conjunctions, what do they do? Think to yourself, what do they do? Okay, so remember, con is a Greek or Latin root that means with, and junct is a Greek or Latin root that means join or connect or link. So conjunctions join things, they connect things, they link things. They're links or connections or elements that join other elements. Now with coordinating conjunctions, we saw that, remember, there are only 7 coordinating conjunctions in English, and we remember this trick, fanboys, to remember all 7. That's for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. Those are the 7 coordinating conjunctions in English, and there are only 7, so we can easily memorize them. But subordinating conjunctions are not so simple. There are many subordinating conjunctions, but just like coordinating conjunctions connected things, linked things together, joined things, subordinating conjunctions do too. One of the differences is, though, that coordinating conjunctions can link together single words, like I had cookies and milk. Cookies, single word, milk, single word, cookies and milk, right? Or they can link together phrases. Remember, phrases are short groups of words, not necessarily short, but groups of words that do not have a subject or a predicate. Like, so I wanted to go to the store or to get my car fixed, right? To go to the store is a phrase. To get my car fixed is a phrase. I'm using or to join them together. Or coordinating conjunctions can join clauses. Remember, a clause is a group of words with a subject and a predicate. So I could say, let's see, either when the bell rang or when the clock said the class was over, we would leave. So when the bell rang is a clause. Bell is the subject, rang is the predicate. It's a group of words that can with the subject and predicate. Or, linking, when the clock showed the right time, or whatever I said, clock is the subject, showed is the predicate. That's a clause, right? So we can group, and or is linking them together. All right? Now, subordinating conjunctions are a little different because they do not link single words or phrases. As far as I can think, I could be wrong, subordinating conjunctions only link clauses. Okay? So let's see how that works. So since there are many subordinating conjunctions, we can't memorize them all. And there's no cool definition that's easy to remember. So we're going to use a little trick to see if a word is a subordinating conjunction. Think of a main clause, any short main clause. On your handout, we've got an example. The cat sat in the sunshine. Okay, now we know that that's a main clause. It's a main clause because here's the subject, who or what is doing something. Here's the predicate. That's what the subject is doing. There are no other subjects in that sentence. Sunshine is a noun, but it's not doing anything, so it's not a subject. So the cat sat in the sunshine, a group of words with a subject and a predicate that expresses a complete thought, right? The cat sat in the sunshine. All right? So that's a main clause. Now, any word that we could add here at the beginning, any word that we could put there at the beginning that would change this from a main clause to a subordinate clause is likely to be a subordinating conjunction. So if I can put this here, I say, how about if I put a list of words that you might try there. While, when, because, although, as, until, after, since, unless, stuff like that. All right? So if I put while here, while the cat sat in the sunshine, I have a group of words. It has a subject and a predicate, but it doesn't express a complete thought. While the cat sat in the sunshine, what? What happened while the cat sat in the sunshine? Or if I put, although, okay, it's a group of words. It has a subject and a predicate, but it doesn't express a complete thought. Although the cat sat in the sunshine, what? Okay? Or if I say, because the cat sat in the sunshine, what? Since the cat sat in the sunshine, what? Unless the cat sat in the sunshine, what? Right? All of those words, any of those words I listed there, plus many, many more, can be put there, and if we add it, this is no longer a main clause. Now, it's a subordinate clause. It doesn't express a complete thought. Okay, that's a subordinating conjunction, but that's it makes this a subordinate clause, but why is it a subordinating conjunction? It's because we can use subordinating conjunctions to join main clauses. All right, so remember, if we have two main clauses next to one another, or two main clauses with a comma in between them, remember we've seen that those are run-on sentences. Run-on sentences. We talked about some ways to fix run-on sentences, right? And another way that we didn't talk about before to fix a run-on sentence is to use a subordinating conjunction. Okay, I'm going to end this video here. We're going to come back and talk about an example that will show that. All right?